Those claims emanating from the Kwazulu-Natal floods last week are estimated to have cost the industry R1 billion. Most home insurance covers natural disasters, but insurance holders run the risk of their claims being repudiated if they don't have adequate cover.
The insurance industry has been inundated with an increase in the number of people whose houses have been destroyed during the floods. But the challenge is whether most of these claims will be processed successfully.
If your policy provides for damage caused by flooding, one of the main reasons why it wouldn't be covered is because you've not adhered to or not met terms and conditions of the policy. An example of that would be if your premiums are not paid to date. If you have outstanding premiums due to the insurer, the claim wouldn't be paid. And if you have loss or damage which is caused purely as a result of lack of maintenance to your building.
Although most home insurance do cover for natural disasters, your claim can be repudiated if you fail to maintain your walls. You should also inform the insurance company about renovations in your home to avoid being underinsured. If you are found to be underinsured, the insurance company might not settle your claim fully.
Generally, if we speak about floods, the main reasons for repudiation of claims is when your wall collapses and if the wall was not built to spec, so if there was poor workmanship or a lack of maintenance.
The insurance industry has admitted that the flood incidents have dealt a heavy blow to the industry, but says that they do have contingency plans to deal with this kind of catastrophes. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.